TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, final hour of the trading day. And we got markets going in both directions. Right now, you get looking at the NASDAQ NQ futures, negative 28 points, trading at 10,824. We get the Dow up 98 points, trading 26,824. S&P is positive by 6, trading at 32.58. We have the gold contract catching a bid today yet again. Gold up $22 at 18.66. Gold traded as high as 18.71 earlier in the session. We're looking at silver up $1.57 at 23.13, within almost about 20 pennies of the highs we had earlier today at 23.35. Notes and bonds continuing the action. We had higher price, lower yield was still in higher price, with the 10-year up between 1 and 2 ticks at 139.18. The 30-year up about 11 ticks at 180.20. That 10-year just oscillating right near a yield of 0.60%. We'll start things off and jump over to the VIX this afternoon. The VIX 24.66 as this market holding up pretty well. In light of everything going on, folks, we'll jump over to some of the headlines. Markets risks rising as U.S.-China tensions escalate toward new Cold War. Quite the headline there, quite the hot take from CNBC. Nonetheless, tensions escalating this morning as you have, of course, Chinese hackers. You have the consulate in Houston, that being closed down. Nonetheless, we saw the action in terms of the S&Ps. The consulate news, China tensions hitting overnight. You had the S&Ps trade down to 32.30, currently back at 32.57. It is earnings season. We got two fun ones tonight after the bell. Tesla catching a little bit of a bid. This stock, I mean, talk about some volatility. Even in the last half hour, we just traded from $15.70 up $35 to $16.05. You back it up, we were as high as $16.98 yesterday. You jump over to that Analyze tab on the Thinkorswim platform. We're looking for an expected move in either direction of almost $200 on Tesla. And where they get that, folks, they get that just from basically show me the at the money, puts in the calls, give me both of them. Let me get the strike prices down. And we're looking at basically $100, $110 at the money. Now, these ones expire in 2 days, so it's a little bit less. You want action in both directions, you're looking at a $200 move expected on their earnings after the bell. Microsoft shares, we're looking at about $8.80 for their move. How about Twitter? Talked about this with Kevin Hinks earlier in the session. That's a big move, $3.40 for only a $36.70 stock. Stay tuned, folks. Tom O'Brien, my dad, coming up live next hour with his program. Stay tuned. We'll be right back in 3 minutes.